Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the YouTube app and signing in. Once signed in, make sure you are on the correct profile. Search for the channel name or open a video from it so you can access the channel page. Tap the channel's avatar to view the three-dot menu. This first actionable step is key because that menu contains the blocking and reporting options you will use next. While doing this, remember whether you want to block comments, hide recommendations, or fully restrict the channel. Once on the channel page, tap the three dots at the top right. Then choose Block User to prevent that channel from commenting on your videos or interacting with your account. If your goal is to remove videos from your feed, tap Not Interested or Don't Recommend Channel. This hides content but doesn't notify the creator. For stronger control, enable Restricted Mode in Settings to filter mature content across the app. Make sure to confirm choices. When prompted so changes take effect immediately. To complete the process, return to the channel page and verify the status. Blocked channels show a confirmation or altered action button. If you do not see changes, force close the app, clear the app cache in settings, or sign out and sign back in. Those steps refresh account state and usually resolve sync issues. If blocking fails for parental control, enable Family Link or set screen time restrictions on the iPad for a more persistent solution. This prevents account changes and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.